The history of Jakarta. Jakarta is Indonesia's capital and largest city. It is located on an estuary of the Ciliwung River on the northwestern part of Java. The area has long sustained human settlement. Historical evidence from Jakarta date back to the 4th century CE when it was a Hindu settlement and port. The city has been sectionally claimed by the Indianized Kingdom of Taramunagara, the Hindu Kingdom of Sunda, the Muslim Sultanate of Banten, and by Dutch, Japanese, and Indonesian administration. Jakarta has been known by several names. It was called Sunda Kelapa during the Kingdom of Sunda period and Jayakarta, the Jayakarta or Jakarta during the short period of the Banten Sultanate. Thereafter, Jakarta evolved in three stages. The old city close to the sea in the north developed between 1619 and 1799 during the era of the VOC. The new city to the south evolved between 1809 and 1942 after the Dutch government took over control of Batavia from the failed VOC whose charter expired in 1799. Under Dutch, it was known as Batavia 1699 until 1949 and was Jakarta in Dutch or Jakarta during the Japanese occupation and the modern period. The Dutch East Indies built up the area before it was taken during World War II by the Empire of Japan and finally independent as part of Indonesia. Capital of the Dutch East Indies in what is now North Jakarta